Okay, good evening. My name is Alvaro Fernandez, and today I will be presenting chapter number 6, which name is Measuring and Managing Customer Relationships. In this video, I'm going to relate the learning objectives of this chapter with the public company that I selected for my course, which is Amazon.com. Uh, the three learning objectives that I will be talking about during this video are measuring customer profitability, measuring loyalty of the customers, and actions a company can undertake in order to transform an unprofitable customer into a profitable one. Okay, it is very important for companies and for organizations in general to measure how profitable a customer is for them. They have to analyze how much they have to spend in order to serve the customer and to deliver the product. In the case of Amazon, uh, they have like different centers or sections in which they maintain the inventory, right? But when they have to ship or to do shippings to other places, not in North America, because they only have these centers, these inventory centers in North America. When they have to start shipping products to another country, to other countries, they have to realize and they have to determine how much that would be for the company, because it's not the same to serve a customer that is in the same state where you have the inventory than to serve a customer which is in the other side of the world. So it's very important for this company to really know how much or which are the costs that they have to incur in order to serve a specific or certain customer. Uh, Measuring loyalty of the customers, it is something that must be analyzed and evaluated from the two perspectives, the financial one and the non-financial one. Why is that? Because if you based the loyalty of a customer only on the service or on the interviews or the information that you receive from your customers, this information must maybe is not reliable enough. You need also the financial metrics, the financial measures to know if this customer is really loyal to the company and if they are really making transactions and buying products in a monthly basis or in a weekly basis, and if they are uh, telling the people around them about your company, about your products, about your services. Uh, to finish here, actions a company can undertake in order to transform an unprofitable customer into a profitable one is that, for example, let's say you have a customer, your main activity is set in North America, but you have a customer, let's say in South Korea, right? So if, for example, you only have one customer in South Korea and it's costing a lot for your company when serving this customer, what you have to do, some people may think it's a good idea to stop serving this customer because it's more expensive to deliver the product than what you are really making. Maybe it's an unprofitable customer. Actually, you are losing money when you try to serve this customer, right? But you have to think also in the economies of scale, in which if you have a lot of customers, at the end you will end up making profits. So for example, what you can do in this case is uh, you can find an alley in South Korea, or you can send one of your employees, a salesperson, a sales agent to South Korea, and to try finding other customers than the one you already have. In that way, when you have to make the shippings, You can do a consolidate, you can send more products, or if you find the alley, a person who has a warehouse in South Korea, maybe you can do a shipment, uh, to a container full of your products, or maybe two containers or three containers. So let's say the customs price and also the shipping price will be less according to the quantity that you are sending, and in that way the cost to serve the customer will go down, and it will be transformed from an unprofitable customer into a profitable one. Also, there are many technological applications that you can use in order to reduce the cost of serving a customer, but it is a really bad idea or a bad idea to stop serving a customer. First of all, because this customer will gonna start talking about your company, and you know that the bad things about your company, if you say for to this company, okay, no, I cannot attend your service or your business, I cannot serve you anymore, this customer will realize that you are not prepared to serve customers in your area, and this idea and this discussion we're gonna start going around in South Korea. So when you decide again to serve somebody there or to find more customer in order to make more profitable ones, then people around there will know that you are not prepared, that you don't have the enough platform or the enough structure to serve customers in this area, and at the end, the warranty that you offer as a company will not be enough. So this is basically what I have to say about chapter 6 and its relation to Amazon.com.